Hi everyone and welcome to EA Dion. My name is Aubrey Dion and I'm a marketing assistant, and today we're going to be talking about a really popular item for recognizing your employees that a lot of companies are using today, and that is the badge holder emblem. It's a really cool way to combine fashion and function, and if you have employees who wear badges all the time, it's a great way for them to wear company pride around, wear their achievements, show them off, encourage other employees to do the same so they can get a cool badge holder too. But as popular as these are, we still get a lot of questions about badge holders. What are they? How do they work? So I've brought some examples with me to show you. So here are some examples of badge holder emblems. As you can see, they come in a variety of styles and shapes and colors. EA Dion is a custom jewelry manufacturing facility, so really your badge holder can be anything you can imagine. And right over here I have an example, right over here. And this is a badge holder, and on the back it's going to have these two little bars. And what comes with the badge holder is this clip. So what you want to do is you want to take your ID, and this is me when I started at the company. I was 14 years old and they kept it for such an occasion. And you slip that on the clip, and then you slip your badge holder emblem right over that. And all you do is you take this and you snap it together, and you are good to go. So an additional feature that can be designed into your badge holder emblem is on-the-spot recognition, which is a great way to recognize employees quickly without having to mail something and get it back or buy them a whole new product. And this is a great example of it. This is a badge holder emblem that we designed for an Indian casino, and the Dreamcatcher look worked really well for them, and they have feather charms that come off this kind of cutout frame, and these feathers are attached to a spring ring, pretty similar to the backs of a lot of necklaces, so it's very familiar and very easy to simply securely attach to the frame. There it is. And there you are. So this worked really well for them because they have their employees wear their gaming licenses on the floor all the time. So it was a really visible way to recognize their employees and kind of foster positive, healthy competition of who could get the most feathers on their badge holder emblem. So if you'd like to get started on your own badge holder emblem, simply email us your logo and we'd be happy to create some designs for you, or you can call us and discuss your project with one of our very experienced account managers. We can't wait to work with you.